Now we have a certain sum amounts to rupees 4840 in 2 years and rupees 5324 in 3 years at compound interest. Find the rate and sum. So what are we given? We are given the amount after 2 years and the amount after 3 years, and we have to find out the rate and the total sum or the principal. We have to find out the principal and we have to find out the rate of interest. While we are, again, I'm telling you again, we are given the total sum after 2 years and the total sum after 3 years. So what do we do now? We know that the total sum after 2 years is the principal for the third year. Am I right? We all know that? Yes. So the amount after 2 years is the principal for the third year, right? So if 4840 is the principal for the third year, we can write the amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 in raised to power n. So if we write, according to this, we have the amount equal to 5324, principal, that is the amount after 2 years is the principal of before the third year. So we have principal equal to 4840. Rate of interest we have to calculate, and n is equal to 1 because the rate the period is 1 year, that is only the third year. So we have 5324 is equal to 4840 into 1 plus r by 100 raised to power 1. So 1 plus r by 100. So 1 plus r by 100 is equal to 5324 upon 4840. So r upon 100 is equal to 5324 upon 4840 minus 1, which comes out to be equal to 5324 minus 4840 upon 4840, which comes out to be again 484 upon 4840, which is equal to 1 by 10. So r by 100 is equal to 1 by 10. So which gives us that r is equal to 100 upon 10, that is equal to 10%. So the rate of interest, now we know that the rate of interest is equal to 10%. So what do we have to calculate now? We have to calculate the principal. So now we know that the amount after 2 years is 4840, right? So we have a formula A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n, right? So we have A equal to 4840, R equal to 10%, n equal to 2 years. And what do we have to calculate? We have to calculate P. So what do we do now? We have 4840 is equal to P into 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to power 2, right? So we have 4840 is equal to P into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10, right? So we have P equal to 4840 into 10 upon 11 into 10 upon 11. So this gives us that the principal is equal to rupees 4,000. So on a principal of rupees 4,000, at a rate of interest of 10%. After 2 years, the amount is equal to 4840, and after 3 years, the amount is equal to 5324.